Now there's a little road up here on the right. It takes us down to pretty much a dead end road, I think, Auchmithie. I'm going to take it. I'm going to go down there today. I've never been down there before, so we'll do that as a wee stop on the way. I think this is it. Auchmithie. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, it's a dead end, but let's go and have a look anyway. I think you get a good view of the sea. Oh, this is looking very nice, isn't it? This is a pleasant little village. Can go down there to an old harbour that was there, but clearly a fishing village of some description in days gone by. But they don't want you to go down because it's unsuitable for motor vehicles. Year and a half, eh? There is someone down there with a car. I'm going to go down there. See what this looks like, eh? Ooh. Isn't this exciting? Oh, that's pretty wonderful. It's going to be interesting coming back up. Oh. Very nice. Folk swimming. Oh, very nice. So, I did see cars down here. Where did I see them? Right. Gotta get the drone up. Well, I think I've got some good drone shots of the cliffs and all this this beach. Absolutely beautiful. I had the Autel Nano Plus up. I've also got the Mavic Pro with me. So we'll see how this gets on. Right, let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look up the hill. It's a steep wee climb. And then we're on a gravel track. Let's hope no one decides to come down at the same time, eh? Yeah, easy peasy. There's a beacon up there. Bet they get some wonderful views from their home. Very nice. Well, I'm very pleased that I saw that car down there. That'll allow me to get down and go and have a little nosy, eh? Now, do you know what's missing? A cup of coffee. I'm sure we'll find somewhere, eh?